How to use Facebook Reels Remix feature. To use the Facebook Reels Remix feature, first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device. Once you open it, you simply have to now go ahead and tap on the Reels tab from the upper navigation bar. Find yourself that exact reel that you want to remix with. Once you find it, you simply have to now go ahead and tap on the share button or tap on this three-dotted menu icon over here on the bottom. Once you tap on this, you should be able to open this panel. From here, you should be able to find the remix option over here. If you don't find it over here, you simply have to hit backwards and tap on the share button and then locate the option over here. Now, if you don't find on any of both of these options, that means the creator itself has turned this remix feature off. Now, once you find the reel suitable with the remix option, you simply have to go ahead and then proceed to remix it. You can use the big circle button to start recording your video once you're there within your camera tab, and you can proceed to post it. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.